Hi everyone, welcome back to Check Technology. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create email folders in cPanel. This is perfect if you want messages sent to one email address to automatically arrive at another address. For example, you have your sales at your customdomain.com forwarded to your personal Gmail. Now, by the end of this video, you will know how to create both single folders and domain-wide folders to manage your email more efficiently. So let's dive in. You want to log into your cPanel account for your domain. I am currently logged in, and here is my dashboard. Second, you want to go and look for the folders, email folders, and that can be found under our email section. This is my email section, and this is our email folders. Now, if you don't have a custom email account for your domain, I'd like you to pause this video and go back to our video where we talked about creating a new email account. But if you've done that, you can just continue with this video. So there are two ways in order to find your folders for your email. One is that you go to your search box here and then you type in forward. Now you have your folders here. By the time you click it, it takes you down to your folders, your email folders environment. Now let's go back and let me show you the second way. You can scroll down and look for your email section and you click on these folders. This page is where you can manage existing folders and add new ones. You will see two tabs. One for email account folders and the other for domain folders. For this my account, I already have set up one for my info going to my Gmail. Now we want to set up another one. And now to create a new folder for a single address, click the add folder. Now on the add folder, you want to input email user you want to forward. For example, I'm having sales at cPanel.com. Now, to the next field is where you want to forward those emails to. I want to forward this to cPanel@gmail.com. Once you finish filling those fields, you just click on Add Folders. Now, every time a mail is sent to sales@cPanel.com, it will automatically forward to my Gmail. So let's go back. And now you can see that it has been added. It has been added. Sales forwarded to this account. So I'd like to do a quick check if this is working. I'm going to my email. Now this is sales. And I'm going to be sending a mail into this place to check if it is working. So I've just sent the mail down to my sales@cPanel.com. So I'm going down to my email, and if you can look at it, we have it first sample forwarded test. Also want to check in my Gmail if I got that same email. Let me do a refresh. Yeah, if you look at it, I have it here already. I have it here already. So now I'm going to be doing another test run now. The reason is I want you to take a look at the time span so that you can just note that this is working. So I'm going to pause the video now and I'll come back when I'm done sending the messages. So I've just sent the second one and I'm waiting for it to drop in. I can always refresh to check. Yeah, look at it. It just dropped in. It just dropped in and we just have like 2 minutes difference. So let's go back to my Gmail to be sure that it also entered. I'm going to click on refresh and look at it. It also just entered. So it's working. Our single email forwarder, it's working. Now let's come back here and let's talk a little bit on creating a domain folder. Now, if you want all your mails sent to your domain to be forwarded somewhere else, use a domain folder. So when you click on add domain folder, you add the domain where you want this email to go into. For example, let's say gmail.com, or you have another domain which is your own. You could write it there and then now you just add the folder. But this is a caution notice. Be very careful, because once you implement this, it means all email will be forwarded to this domain. So be sure that that is what you want. Be sure that that is what you want. So before we wrap up this video, I want to share with you some common mistakes and security tips. And yeah, common mistake beginners makes. 1. Setting up a domain-wide forwarder without realizing it will forward all your mails. Number 2, forwarding to external free email account without verifying spam filter. And number 3, forgetting to test forwarders regularly. Now, it is something you should do on a regular occasion to be sure that your email forwarders are still active and are working. So here are the quick tips you should always use. Use strong password for the original email account, even if they forward elsewhere. 2, periodically review and delete unused forwarders to reduce spam risk. Once you know you are not using it, make sure you do away with it. The last one is consider using email authentication like your SPF and your DKIM for better deliverability. Now, that is it. You have learned how to create email forwarders. If this video helped you, please like this video, subscribe to Check Technology, hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next tutorial. Also, comment below with what cPanel feature you would like me to cover next. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.